Hello guys, thank you very much for joining us once again. In this video you're gonna learn some information about the cricket shots, the very general shots in the cricket game. So let's get started from uppercut. The batsman is standing in the position and the pose. So in this case, when the ball is coming in pitch in the middle of the pitch, so it's coming, so just the batsman is giving the bait to the ball and guiding that. So in this position, when the ball is going over there to the third man or over the shorter man, so it's called uppercut shot. So in this case, ball is like this, okay? That is uppercut. Then we can say leg cut. This shot is played mostly against spin bowler. The ball is coming in this area, in the upside of the wicket. So the batsman is just guarding that, like this, guarding the ball, and the ball is going to gully park, to gully position. So this is called leg cut. After that, we can say a square cut. When the ball is coming in the good line, okay? Good line or upside of the stump. So the batsman is ready completely, making room to back foot, and exactly the batsman is punching, or we can say it's hitting the ball to this area, like in this position. It is called square cut. Square cut ball is going to between point and cover area. When the ball is played to this in this area, point and cover area, and in this position, it's called square cut.
That's away over the practice pitches.
When the ball is coming in this position and the batsman is playing the ball to this position, it is square drive. And this square drive is going through this between cover and point position. This is called square drive. After that, we can say it is a cover drive. The ball is coming a little bit like a Yorker, or sometimes the ball is coming a little bit low. Batsman is completely ready to hit the ball or to punch the ball like this. And the ball is going to cover area. It is called cover drive.
Comfortably on the drive, Julie Bairstow. Very nice indeed.
After that, we can say when you are playing the ball like this position to the long arm position, it is called on drive. It is called off drive.
Oh, that's just as nice. No, nicer. I think the on drive before.
A pull shot. When the batsman is pull ready, and in this position, and the ball is coming in the middle of the pitch, so the batsman is playing in this position. This is called what? Pull shot.
That was brilliant.
Maxwell, two in a row. The first was big, the second might be bigger. It's over, same area.
We have some more shots. That is hook shot. The hook shot means whenever the ball is coming a little bit sharp pitch, okay, to leg side, or the batsman is turning the body completely or half of the body, like in this position. So he's turning the body and the ball is playing to this area, square leg or deep fine leg, okay? So this is hook shot. So after this, I must say, so when the ball is coming to leg side a little bit slowly, mostly it is about like a medium fast bowler, and the batsman is just giving the bait, okay, like this, okay, and the ball is going to deep fine leg, okay, so it is called glance shot. And exactly, we can say there is no much difference between flick and glance shots, okay. When the ball is coming in, the batsman is just giving the bait like in this position, okay, this position, that is called flick shot. And otherwise, we have a slack sweep. Slack sweep it means that the ball is bouncing 2 times, okay? In this position, the batsman is completely ready to play that shot. It is called a slack sweep. So otherwise I have to say reverse. Reverse means, you know, mostly it's really, really common when the batsman is setting the hands like in this position and play the ball to that position. It's called reverse, okay? Whenever the batsman is completely changing the position, the batsman is changing the position to this part, so he's playing the ball, hitting the ball, so it is called switch hit, okay?
2 sixes to date for Maxwell.
Oh, reverse.
Reverse! Shot of the series! Don't worry about that!
Wrong-handed.
Oh.
All right.
So these were the information about cricket shots. We should know about that. Thank you very much for joining us.